You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change an Instagram post from a rectangular layout back to a square after you have selected multiple photos or videos. When creating a new post and selecting multiple images, Instagram automatically uses a rectangular portrait or landscape layout to force a square crop for all images in the carousel. You must adjust them individually. After selecting your photos, tap Next in the top right. On the filter screen, look at the small preview thumbnails at the bottom. Tap on the first thumbnail. Now look for the square crop icon in the bottom left corner of the image preview. It looks like two overlapping right angles. Tap this square icon. The image will now be cropped to a perfect square. You may need to pinch and drag to reposition the part of the image visible in the square frame. Tap Done or the check mark. Now repeat this exact process for every single image thumbnail in your carousel. Tap each thumbnail, tap the square icon, adjust and confirm. Once all images are set to square, you can proceed by tapping Next, adding your caption and sharing. This manual method is the only way to override Instagram's default multi-image layout, as there is no universal square carousel toggle. For more simple Instagram editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel.